Welcome to this session where we explore how InQI can transform campus design. Today, we're using California State Polytechnic University as an example. In seconds, InQI generates detailed site plans with solar, wind, and elevation data, all free for university students.
If you're going to school at the California State Polytechnic University for design and architecture, one of the first things that they will teach you is the value of a detailed site plan. A detailed site plan consists of a great many parameters that you will need for your design task. Elevations, distances from point to point, sun movement, wind, and everything else in between. What you have been told is that there are many ways to get it. Old-fashioned way is to do a property survey, which is detailed and recognized by the state. Perhaps manual measurement, which could be problematic and time-consuming. Or these days, you can send a drone and do various aspects of automations to get it. We have brought in InQI as an AI platform that can do the same process from behind your desk within minutes, sometimes seconds. So for your university, let's do a site plan. This is going to be hundreds of acres of property. So one would think it would take days to do it with anything else, but in InQI, it would take about a minute. So we type in the address for the university. It will zoom into the location of the university or the property, whichever one you enter. And you simply confirm the location. The system will start looking at a number of different parameters and data sources, including solar data, wind data, elevation data, aerial imagery, and start analysis of how to put together a detailed site plan. Depending on the size of property, this could be seconds, or like 10,000 square foot, or something to that effect. Or in the case of your university campus, which is hundreds of acres, it could take up to a minute. But it's still a lot faster than anything else you can imagine. In about a minute, after you got your properties, elevation, and various data, it will generate a project for you with that address. It will show all the parameters that it knows. By simply clicking on it, you can open the project parameters. And with an easy-to-use viewer, you can see the details of the project, including, let's zoom out. This is a very large project. You can see on this that we are seeing roof lines. You're seeing details of every piece of the property that is there. You're seeing all of the elevation lines, as you can see here, detailed property lines. And we can enable any aspects of the AI recognition to recognize more of the values. The AI recognition will give you the ability not only to recognize any of these, but also develop most of your plan. Now, furthermore, for this location, not only we have the data of the size, this was 238 acres of the property, but also we have the wind speed rose plot for the given property. We also collect and provide you the sun movement. Now, if you have a good processor system, you can generate a 3D view and even continue further down. But let's look at how we can generate for 200 some acres of property a site plan. Other than various designs and other things that you can do, you can go to your export. You can select either one of these formats. It can even be fully editable CAD file. We're going to use PDF for this exercise. You're going to request an export. And basically, within the next few seconds, we're going to have a detailed site plan in the PDF format to the scale with all the parameters that you would expect from a top surveyor. It didn't take weeks, it didn't take days, it didn't take months. It took a few seconds to develop. And in the past 15, 20 seconds that we are talking, you'll notice that it basically generates the PDF and PDF is ready. Let's take a look at the PDF. You will notice in this PDF, all of the information is there. The scale is available, various parameters, the property information. And if you had taken this out in the format of a CAD file, you could start doing your design immediately. So the power of InQI is just that. All of the information you need directly sent to you as fast as possible. This is available for free for university students, and it will stay for free for university students forever. So please use it and shape the future of architecture and design by helping us making it better.